ke re ke betha deck brick bo serious ne ke re papa mka tsoha jo can't ne ke lora wa ntsa
Wena mara. It will be better to have your own place, but can you be able to? Can you afford to? Because
Yeah.
we can't. We're struggling. We really can't.
What's
Yeah,
your
yeah, and
take mo
function
ya-
at 3 days.
3 days
Where
ba
is
book
that?
and bona company ya buka anga se khone bole lina la teng ka gore ke
Yeah,
mang
yeah.
ya
3
buka
days.
ba ya da weekend e yotlhe awa jo
Most babula the
and
opportunity.
di partner
there.
di a tshwanna ho ya a ke re e patela
No,
ke
yeah,
company
yeah. In function, a company, vele, people don't bring partners.
So
it's only company people for full 3 days.
nanga hana
Sure, ladies and gentlemen, it's T's and C's. We are back at it again. The name is Temba Zulu, Petit Pinchami la Cleopas.
Spook Mapena.
Spookupena. Awubangene mfana, awubangene mpinchami.
jo
Enter them out here.
bona me brekenya go botsa ka traumatic experience e ke nnileng le yona
Yeah, you don't even want to greet the people
Ba,
today.
ke tla le
Cheers,
dumedisa
cheers.
next time. It
I
didn't
think
test nothing
today is
more.
gonna go down. Yeah.
e mo on top of my throat nthwele wa bo wa itse ho
That's the
irahetseng
Spookupena I know.
oh me bra so this time nna again a se nna perpetrator ke nna victim ne
Oh, okay. Oh, mo hongwe o na le ho ba perpetrate.
sometimes ke na lo nna agitator ke na lo sometimes ke na lo thoma dilo wa itse sometimes wa bo ho nna skiri koponyana mara this time ke nna victim me
Sure.
bra na ka divela ka mara cosa light ya ka
Yeah.
ka divaela mo le mo tseleng nka se bolele ko kae because
Yeah.
of this thing e rahetse ka mannete
Yeah.
ka divaela ke divaela ke re mo spilling ke a bona man ho na le koleng ko morao yang sala morao
Yeah.
wa bo
Backtailile.
yeah so he ke jigela left jigela linear left jigela linear right ko re ba nsala morao
Yeah.
ke ma mo roboto mara ka gore ke bone ke tifa space nyana wa bo and then he sna ke tifa space ma robot e tsalletse he ke re madamens ko morao ke bona ba tswa ba shiana jo ba
Yeah.
tswa ba shiana ba tshwere digane
Yeah.
ba ntse ba tla ba shiana madamens
Yeah,
serious luckily ka ba bona
Yeah.
ka khona gore ke re gear 1 ka pele ke re ke tswa bo and then ka
So you
tsena
felt
ka
like it's an
di-corner.
attempted hijacking?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
wa bo?
possible, bro. Yeah.
So-
it's possible.
So jo da ene ke ntse ke
It's
le yone ke
easy.
kwatile ka ra ka tshwara sepe nako e wa bo
Yeah.
ke DJ naked ka tshwara sepe wa bo so
Can't o na lo tshwaranyana something.
aowa ke ra fela for example
Oh,
No,
okay.
so hence sena ke tšhaba mo le ke re diatrance cosa light le ke tshwere ka rila e ke re ke betha deck brick bo serious ne e ke re papa mka tsoha jo can't ne ke lora wa ntsa
Wena mara.
so mara ditene ya nahanisa ditene hore mara he nka nna mo situation se se bjao
Yeah.
ko ira bjang so ka thoma ho ira go
It's
google
tough.
nyana
Yeah. It's tough. It's tough, Cleo. There's no formula for that.
Yeah.
But yeah.
ke google dilo tsa di self defense
Okay,
e jo de dentse e ke lemhileng is either if unya go nna safe ne tshwantse o hire private security ne
Yeah.
ke like kira in terms of if unya go nna safe tshwantse o hire private security ke zaka or tshwantse o di rekele babo 7
Yeah.
ene leona
I wouldn't
ya
even-
tura no ke nya go botsa research
Yeah,
ya.
just gore,
Yeah.
these are the only ways.
Yeah,
that
these are the
these
two
are
ways.
some of the ways.
Because
that
of
you could-
yeah, o ka
not the
protect
only
ka
way.
teng. Well,
Yeah.
these are some of the ways. Nna ke di he ke Google. So ya private security ba tura madamens. Nna ke na
Obvious.
tšhelete ya o
The
kra di
expensive,
escort
yeah,
di
yeah.
bodyguard.
Yeah, ne,
So
gore-
ya ho
gore
kra 7.
serious mos.
No, ne ke re ne ke nyaka go
Private
check for
security, yeah.
cause safety. Agar ke nahanne
Yeah,
safety.
no, go tshwara. Ke na le wena, I'm following you. Don't worry.
So he ke re ne 7 he nka kra 7
Yeah.
and then
O
ka
isa
thomo
tronkong
search.
riding, yeah.
No ka thomo search.
Yeah.
Ka thomo search. He ke search ka kere le hore no. Ka re ke itse mang o itse mang kae bjang.
Yeah.
Ba mbotsa ba re neng ka o kerela engwe re krile ka di Hazebrack ko Hazebrackeng. Ha e clean le ya leburu ko Hazebrack e clean. Wa ntlhalwanya. So mara
But
ka
I sadly clean because it's in the wrong hands.
Yeah.
First, let's clarify.
No,
that.
no.
No, I'm saying they can't say it's clean. They're robbing you already because already I sadly clean because it's reported stolen.
Okay,
Yeah, then
okay.
proceed,
Yeah, mara ke ra hore ke tseletsa re okay, e re ke sa ya details tse ding ke tlo le ka le jumpisa details tse ding tse leng gore ne sa ditse. So so ka re no okay, ya ba ra re mfe 2000. Wa bo?
Yeah.
But okay, 2000. Abe no we are price of safety.
Yeah,
Ne?
no, that's right. Yeah, I'm
Okay,
following
2000
where
or
you're
a
going,
private the bodyguard. Okay. Then I got no man. Here ke nyake steps tsa molao. Tsa o
Yeah.
kry ya mannete ya mo molaong.
yeah.
Me bra, wa itse he ke kry-a dahutese ne ka ke ne ke ile ko ho na le ane plekenyana man ba re ke bone boto ya teng khale ntse ke feta ke tshabo tsena mara eventually ka tsena
Okay.
wow because of toro e le yaka he ke tsena ka da ke botsisa ke kry-a leburu le afrikaner le leng le tla maboya bush wa maboya so re bolela mole o mpotsa a re no o mpotsa di-steps wa tota wait that figure the cheapest wait e amount ile to bukae man
Yeah.
the cheapest e amount ile to 20,000
It,
process ya teng e yotlhe like
you're not writing.
process a kere ya molao e nyaka
What
process
everything,
including
including buying,
le yona.
turning, and what?
Yeah,
Oh,
20,000.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So
yeah.
that ntse jo ya tliga nthongwe ya hore kore mara safety mo mzanzi jo ke for batho ba na leng nyoko fela jo
Yeah, Cleo, when you talk about such things, this thing is taking me back to people will say we want to blame the government, but
Yeah.
they are actually the cause for all these failures that we're seeing in our country.
yeah
So, Cleo, we can have a gun-free South Africa. It is possible.
mara ditsotsi tle be di tshwere
No, they can't have them if we have a gun-free South
yeah
Africa.
Yang
They
tlhalosetse.
won't have access to them. But I doubt ukuthi it's something esicabangayo as
Yeah.
abantu base South Africa njengoba usho ukuthi abantu bacabanga ngendlela yabo and ngeke size sibashintshe. So Joe, you can't fight fire with fire. That's my take.
Mlo-
Yeah, I'm telling you because remember when if you do something in defense in South Africa, you go to jail. To know that you'll go to jail.
no na se ka mkhodama na ntlhalositseng wa itse ntlhalositseng le bulele a re kore jo o ntlhalositse ales jo like ha e bjao daideni ke wa itse bjang ka o botsa wa itse o le a reng diamond
Just wait until it happens. You'll know. You'll go to jail with your legal whatever weapon
Yeah.
that you have in South
Yeah.
Africa. You are the one who's gonna go to jail, but I'm telling you,
So-
you will go to jail.
mara he ke balance daiden hora
Remember that thing.
yeah
They say because I believe on YouTube they don't want us to call it galibito.
yeah
That thing once we sponsor.
Yeah.
Mlawateng. Ngithini nje. Like that thing, you're not supposed to use it like at all cost until it is the last thing
last
you
resort
use.
na mara na se ka mkhodama mara wa itse tshwantse re kry motho
Yeah, manje lo
maybe
muntu
ke tla
lo-
botsisa
no lo muntu
Diamond
okhuluma ngayo
akhe.
akasebenzi akasebenze
No, mara akere ba-
police
ba
station
dila ka
babafika lapha bakufaka bozankosi
yeah
yeah amagada mabafika bojijela bose
Yeah.
phakathi in your own yard basokufaka bozankosi
mara
uhambe uye stars
tshwantse re kry-e daiden nna ke tshe because damane o bereka ka training ya teng and wa hika motshepa wa itse na re tlo irang wa
I
itse
don't know,
tshwantse
maybe I'm wrong.
go na le ane mane ka moitse ke le security ne
Yeah.
diamond ke nyaka re maybe re mo because ena ke ma security le a o tshwara wa bo?
Okay.
So diamond ke nyaka gore re mo tlise
Yeah.
because nna ke tshepe because of mara the whole thing e nna ke e boneng ka diden kore safety mo mzanzi e tsamaisana le nyoko jo
Obvious.
It's
Yeah.
either-
You're not vele, yeah.
o hira security mabodyguard or o ithekela ya hao or o nna ko di-estating
Yeah.
tso tsotlhe di nyaka nyoko
Yeah.
jo.
It's
Wa ntshwara?
money. Yeah, it's
Tso tsotlhe di
money.
nyaka nyoko so
It's
o rare
money, yeah.
safety e tsamaisana le machankora
Yeah, it's
Wa
money.
ntlhaloganya?
Yeah.
So which brings me to the next thing ya gore di-diets tsa di-estate di nkgopotsa ne ke bloma ditse tsa di-mastene ne
Yeah.
ne ke bloma ko side itse tsa dinthong eo ko
Yeah.
makae-kae
O
so ke
rentile.
rentile room
Yeah.
ke rentile room ke kry-ile jobonyana
Yeah.
so etse ke bloma that mane nna jo ke di ratela menyonyo ke di ratela ponyete wa
Yeah,
tlhaloganya,
yeah,
di-pizza
sure.
pizza
Yeah.
di-Magnum.
Yeah, nina eningazi eminyonyo ezimnandi ezibondiwe ngesizulu ari minyonyo ngesizulu sithi ezibondiwe yeah.
Yeah.
So for
Ke
those
di-
who might
yeah.
be lost
Yeah, well-
it's for those it's what we call several colors those good
Yeah.
things yeah,
Yeah,
ama 7 colors yeah. Election ama 7 colors
Yeah.
so it's several colors yeah, ezibondiwe minyonyo yeah.
Oh, so braka ke nna ntse ke titlela scooter sa ai nako tsele scooter ne seng ke di nne popular ne ke tla ke tshwere di-plastic wa ntlhaloganya
Yeah.
ke tshwere di-eng so mastene every day wa mpona
Yeah.
wa bo
Yeah.
so ha mpona nna ka magala after 3 months wa tla monna and ironically ke mzulu die even
Yeah.
are kunjani ke ra sharp mamazala are ne hey yazi hey igas ikhuphukile yazi
Kanti ke sikhuphuka kanjani akusiyo into yaku national level
bra-
esazi ngayo sonke.
Oh,
I'm trying to
bra-
understand where was she coming from. Yeah.
that time a ke re nna ke mohiri wa bo
Yeah. No, obviously
Yeah.
that's not your place, especially at that time.
yeah arai a ke re nna ne ke sa patele motlakase ne ke
And no,
patela-
yeah, and another thing I'm saying, you can't question anything. You are living under someone else's roof.
wa bo
Yeah.
so are
It's like now when my daughter is putting on my headphones,
Yeah.
I have to remind her, hey, phela hamba sisemotweni yami
Yeah,
la, ngizokukhisa kahle."
ana di-rights tse di bjao ka go control so ai sharp da ema a re rent ya increase ka 300 ke ra yona flop di mams
Yeah.
ka e eda 300
Yeah, yeah.
oh no jo na ebile a i register that
Yeah.
time gore minyonyo e o ka re ke yone
Yeah,
increase
because
mathata
yeah.
so hentse ke ntse ke career on ka minyonyo eo wa tla hape angithi yazi ukuthi usuka le arutlhako khule usuka
Yeah. Yeah, le kwaNtuthu le.
ukekudeni khule kekudeni usuka le ekudeni
Le kwaNtuthu le.
so hefetsa a re so manje sikubona arubona esingwana wa mo
Yeah, wa mo hae, yeah.
yeah wa mo hae wabo a re so ish yazi a re metsi a oketsegile bjanong o
Yeah.
khupela ke moadimenyana 300 o tla ira o ke tla e fokotsa mo renteng so that thing ka thomo bona pattern o jo every time
Yeah.
Wa bo-
Renting is not nice. I've never loved that thing.
Yeah.
It's a pity we have to go through it.
Yeah.
Majority of the people, but it's not a nice feeling. It's because I think it takes you backwards where you should be moving forward, and it's not easy for people to afford places to start.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not
yeah.
easy in South Africa. Yeah, houses are expensive. That is why I was telling you that day to say a 2-bedroomed house is easily 6 million in certain estates in South
yeah
Africa.
yeah
So it's not easy for people to get their own places. But guys, I don't know, this thing of rental versus having your own place.
Giving a bit.
Yeah, it will be better to have your own place, but can you be able to? Can you afford to? Because
Yeah.
we can't. We're struggling. We really can't.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you go to a bank and you wanna qualify for bond, mfethu lezi zinto lezi abazifunayo lapha.
Yeah.
Hey, bafuna ezinye izinto
Bonyaka
ongeke
pasa
uzovuka.
le special.
Yeah, noma sebaqedile sebazifune zonke.
Yeah.
Bakutshela ukuthi no, you don't qualify.
Nahano jo.
Yeah, after going through all these things, wabo. So and then what are you gonna get out of that?
At least
What are you gonna gain?
ka nna le relief ya gore ke ba ruhi ke ba buditse.
Yeah. So it's tough. It's not an easy thing. It's a very unfortunate situation that maybe it goes back to above 80%, because anything that's above 80%, that's
Yeah.
a distinction situation. So above 80% of people have to go through that. We have to all go through that. Yabo. And sometimes the living conditions are not so nice.
Mara like
But what can you do? What can you do?
I
What
wonder,
else
Joe,
can you
gore
do?
What's renting versus buying? Ke eng?
Yeah.
Or o rente mara sa tla le minyonyo thata. O sa jumpisa minyonyo. No kita bat ke nako tsa dikuta, o sa tla ka skuta. Skuta thata wa ntlhalwanya.
Yeah.
Sa tla ka skuta thata ha da eme jo. So ka move ka move.
Yeah.
Hence na ke move ka ya go hongwe ke ne le ntlu. Ke
Yeah,
le
yeah.
ntlu.
Yeah.
Re nna ba botle mo ntlung ele ke like commune.
Yeah.
So hona le ane out.
Yeah,
Ne?
yeah.
Authele o nna le stories e tšho authele o tlasa mo kwa go di Freistata kwa go
Yeah,
wa ntshwara?
yeah.
So so Daimani o nna le o krile cherry yona around ka seele
Yeah. Yeah.
so ke nna ke ntlo re 5 ka mo ntlong ke nna ke housekeeper ba re seng housekeeper ba re keng daiden ba re keng
the house-
lord what
The
ba re keng?
landlord, yeah.
Sing landlord ba re keng caretaker
Oh, okay.
caretaker
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, so you're talking about we call them house managers, someone
Yeah,
who's
yeah.
cleaning, who's the assistant to
Yeah.
to the real madam who cleans the house and
Yeah,
take care
and
of
all
the house.
those things.
Yeah, those are important people. I hope people really understand the importance of treating those people.
Sharp, ne?
Yeah, because those people are, if you've been okay, I haven't been to a situation where I have a house assistant or a
Yeah.
house manager.
Yeah.
But I've seen those people who have house assistants.
Yeah.
But they struggle when those people are not there.
Yeah, yeah,
Some
have
of
a
them, yeah, because they can't even find easy things like they have to call ukubuza thosa ngibona t-shirt yami
Oh, amufonele, yeah.
they have to call them
Mara,
sometimes.
Gucci
Yeah.
ke high top level. What? Mara,
No, it shows how important
Maintenance
because
one,
they call them house managers.
Yeah.
That's how important your house manager is if you do have one. So show some respect. Right now, I think most of them are going. I think they were discussing this subject on Metro the other day.
Yeah.
To say it's the time of the year where
Yeah, the
people need
bonus.
to where they need to compensate them. And if she's living, how are you gonna survive with her?
Yeah.
So many people were like, "Ish, mine is living on the 15th.
Yeah.
It's gonna be chaos to live without her because
Yeah.
other people go with them even on vacations. They fly with them because they can't even handle their own kids. Those people, yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the house manager is there to take care of things.
Bahola sharp, Mara. Mama Demens.
But where's the standard
Ba- for provident
salary for them?
fund delivery.
Yeah, then how do you say bahola sharp?
Yeah,
Omunga akamopatela 500 rand.
Yeah.
Omunye amnikeza 2,000 rand, omunye amnika 5,000 rand. Where do we draw the line to say bahola kahle? So are you trying to say, do we need to have a standard salary for them?
Baba register for the pension and third pot on needs about to have the third pot. Live on never ikeriana.
I know. Obviously, remember they're not registered anywhere.
Kurubana
It's not like a person has got a business and has
over
employed
register.
people. No, yeah. They are just, remember, most of them, sometimes they give them money, cash.
Yeah, Baba for
Yeah,
content.
money in their hand. So how are we going to control that? Because remember, for something to be controlled, there must be some electronics involved there. There must be some...
Hore, pila, it's up to what Baba hirileng, or Baba
Yeah,
Shelene.
yes, yeah, which is unfair. Because if you are a bad person, you won't be good to that person. Or if you are a good person, you'll be good to that person.
Yeah.
So, and remember, some of them, they don't even have boundaries. Where you work or where I work, I know my scope to say, this is my work. That is why Umuntu Mageza, I can easily say, no, sorry, this is not my work. Go to Clio. He's the one who's going to assist you with that. So with them, there's no work scope to say, you know for sure, yeah, this is what you're going to be doing. It starts here, it ends here.
And may go nearly domestic work.
Yeah, my as well, yeah. My mother
Yeah.
was raised by domestic.
Then Marawiti took him Magadi cake.
Yeah.
So Kona may gogi never verga, but my uncle say Banna shop mo living.
Yeah.
Mara may gogi a hana ho stop over. So may gogi bam ahela ntu one tar koko kumakaya kulku one tar bam ahela ntu
uncle.
yeah one tar
Yeah.
bam ahela dilo di na shapu honna pila one tar so yar half it ospana may gogi I think nanali maybe 50 something
Yeah.
asithela khona namela train
Yeah.
because namela train go stationing aya go di
Still need to
sababunza
be
go di
very
kai
active,
yeah
to do that, yeah.
Babo, so me gogi yare has na fetsa a retire. A gitse me gogi rile ka pomore bjang. A ba bitsa madam ntse no, tla le boneng go ke nna. Babo. So ba tla madam ntse ne ba le shocked mo. Ne ba le shocked. Ne kono ba bona mo matlhong gore ba mo ke tsuru
Yeah. Okay.
oh wa ka di peanuts tse ne re mo fatsana we a ke na sa ba botse gore
Oh.
go irahala e
Yeah.
a jone ba le shocked madam ntse ba le jo he ba fitla mo le ba kra TV ya o feta ya bona na hala jo babo so a ke itse re mara a ke itse mara re ta reng jo ke
Yeah.
job ne
Ne.
jobi job me bra
Ish, yeah. Sometimes remember, money is all about how do you use it. Okay, but like you're saying, Natusagi,
Yeah, ba mo thusitse. Uncles na- ne re batla
Which is a
round-ong ba.
different discussion altogether. Yeah.
yeah
So, Joe, maybe before we leave this place, there's something I want to talk about. It happened last week. I saw. I don't know if you saw this, Kiona. There was an event that was happening in Devon, and it was men coming together against GBV.
yeah
So, guess who rocked up in that event?
Who-
King Misuzulu,
Yeah.
Zulu King.
yeah
So you know most kings come dressed in informal way and everything. That guy is sharp at dining. You turning where
Yeah.
who surprised everybody. I don't know how active are you on social media because
Yeah.
I saw the thing on
Yeah.
social media. So he came dressed like in
Ikota.
Yeezy, what's up,
Yeah.
my
Come on, yo,
She
yo,
said,
not
yo,
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 yo.
yo. Yeah.
Heaven.
I'm
Yo,
telling
the man-
you, the king came there rocking that thing. He had that bounce step,
Yeah.
chewing his chappies.
Yeah.
He's-
Ali chilled.
When I first saw the first video that I saw
Yeah.
on YouTube, I didn't believe I said, "Ah, man, is it him really?"
Yeah.
Because he had even his nice
Nabe
tops
Tileli,
there.
yeah.
And I was like, "Come on, King
Coach,
now!
ke coach,
Come
ke
on,
coach.
King now!"
Yeah.
People, vamutela, go,
Yeah.
go TikTok.
Yeah.
Vamutela. But hey, bayete and things and stuff.
Yeah,
Yabo
yeah.
basibabulela ka
Yeah,
that
yeah,
language.
kautshwara.
Yeah, but yeah,
Kautshwara,
today
ke
you are wearing is mother what
Yeah.
I'm not gonna finish the word. But that was nice, but that was cool. I'm not sure how are the elders going to take it in the royal family.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
that was nice because that
Umona
was
ali-
I loved
ali
it.
vavavu,
Yeah, I
ali
loved it. It was
vavavu.
nice, Joe. Yeah, because remember they're always like living a straight life, so it was nice to give that vibe.
Yeah,
He came in there. Bouncing
Ali
in
sharp,
his
Ali
walk,
chilled.
yeah, bouncing like seriously bouncing like
Wait, or Joe.
Joe. He surprised
Yeah.
everybody. Go check that thing out. You'll see. I don't know if the storm has died out or something, but it was like big.
Wait, or Joe. Ki hopela.
Big up King.
To King wa Swaga.
Bayet.
Swaga.
Yeah.
Ki hopela didening ya di dedendi ya end function.
Yeah.
Ne? Hona le ana man le na o tsene mo la apere nice a tsepere wa ntshwarana
Yeah.
mara byanong wa jo ka dibala damane ke gutla story sa ba re ye end function ya company ele ke 3 days ba bookile somewhere so ka dibala re nna ke na le furo yaka a spana da a ko hana aya jo What's your
Yeah,
take
and function
mo ya-
at 3 days.
3 days
Where
ba
is that?
book and bona company ya buka anga se khone vela lina la teng ka re ke
Yeah,
mane-
yeah.
ya
3
buka
days.
ba ya da weekend e yotlhe awa jo
Most babula the opportunity.
and di-partner di a tshwanna ho ya a kere e patela
No,
ke
yeah,
company
in function a company, vele people don't bring partners.
So
it's only company people for full 3 days.
nna nka hana nna ke na le wa bona no
No, but when can your partner agree to that? Akadumela.
O tla- ke spane
Yeah,
yeah
then you now hana yang span. Same thing applies.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, but
days
you
jo.
said gispan. It came from your mouth, Cleo. You said
Mo,
gispan.
nako
So that
hana
means
le
the
ntse
partner
gispan.
how gispan.
lent awa jo
Okay, but now what do you do if remember most vele Spanish khona utsamaisa u tsamaise motho for
we different
more than a day.
ye in function ke mo groove ha re bolele straight ke mo groove
Oh, so wena se mo groove. Gispan. Mo wena
Mo eng?
gispan se mo groove.
eng ye in
If
function
we ile wena, you said
3 days.
okay, yeah, your partner
Angase.
said go high.
Yeah.
And wena you are the one who's going
Kim groove.
for 3
Eh,
days.
kim groove.
No, but you say yeah, then so angere o le wena gispan o tshwantse o ye wona for 3 days. But if it's your partner o tlo hana. So which is which, Cleo? Give
No.
it to me. Give it to us. Here's the people.
Pila-
here.
pila di
Tell
in
the people
function.
which is which, guys. Don't wanna hear which is which. I think you're just confusing me as well.
wow tshwanetse re di canceliwe a di sharp di hotels jo di and nna ka mokgwa ke bonang
Yeah.
nagana me brat awa a di and wa itse ane thinking ka di hotels
Yeah.
madame sa ba baya ko dipaneng tsa bona ba ratane
Baitsang?
Ha ba ratane.
Firstana.
ha ba ratane he
Yeah,
fetsa
but are we
tshwantse o
supposed
ye
to
da.
love each other at work?
Then why
Because
read the
like
end
it,
function? Why read the end function? Who thabisana? Re sa
No,
ratane.
just to say we are grateful that we survived each other.
Oh,
through
wa
this
ba mfe
time.
tšhelete. Grateful yes, mereko ke tšhelete. I see
Maybe
your
they're just
function.
saying, hey, at least we managed to live with each other up until to now.
Wow.
Otherwise, we could have strangled each other
No, have I-
along the way. So, do they really have to love each other?
Ha ba ira danke ya
I
tšhelete.
doubt.
Mara is it this thing idea in function? Is
Yeah.
it cause ke di hantši ke di lense se mandatory ne. Mara if motho mongwe a se e nna o ka re o snacks. Wa ntlhaloganya?
Technically, yeah.
Yeah, e nna o ka re o snacks and then
Yeah.
if you are o le go ye in function.
Yeah,
what
but
if
nobody
manager-
can hold you responsible if you don't go.
Yeah, mara what if
Like you can't, like, let's say you are my manager and I decide not to come to
Yeah.
your in function. You can't
Mara
you can't
o
take
level-
me to HR or
Yeah, I can't.
You can't use it, let's say, on your performances to say, even now you didn't even go to.
Mara-
that will be, you can't use it anything. You'll just be angry at me.
Go yeah, mara
You'll just be angry,
nahana
but
no nna ke le boss
It
wa
will
hao.
dent our relationship,
Wa bo?
maybe.
Wa bo? Then and are perfect ko ira mistake tsatsi le leng
Yeah.
or o ira mistake ko ke nna boss wa go kwa
Yeah.
tetse o ira mistake o make sure jo aya go thusi lu thu wa tshwana.
That is why I get maybe to dent
Wa bona
just
hore
the
e na le-
relationship,
e na le pressure.
but you can't hold me responsible. You can't hold someone responsible if they
pressure,
don't
Joe.
pitch up at that thing. You can't. You just can't.
Mara ina le pressure then.
But remember, that is why I don't know. Like you're saying now, you're talking
Yeah.
about companies that give people 3 days.
3 days, no,
Because
huh?
most companies,
I
what
agree,
they decided to do,
Yeah.
the only time they can hold you responsible is because most of them they happen during working hours. If it happens working
Yeah.
during hours, because
Yeah.
you are supposed to. So if you don't wanna come to the office to the
Yeah.
year-end function, then you just go straight to the office.
What if ke tseletsa hore a ke re wa itse o kry-a re nle di-scheme ko mmerekong
Yeah,
re decide gore re ntsha di-100 a se ya company
yeah.
re di tirela ya rena maybe company a ena yona rena re di tirela ya rena and then is it then o mongwane wa group ha inviteiwa is it still okay because
No, but we're now talking about. Look, we're talking about company time here. Something that happens during company time is not something yaga
yeah.
the scheme sarina. It doesn't work like that.
Kautshwara,
Yeah, the
kautshwara.
company must plan for something that happens during company time. Anything other than that, it's ours. We must do it
Yeah.
during our own time. Yeah, so
Nee,
that's the easy way of it, man. Some rules are very easy to follow. If you don't want to attend the year-end function, you go stay in the office. Then during knock-off time, you go home. The choice is yours. It's always.
le
It's
ti
always there.
tlhokomeleng ka di-end function di-manager di a le check gore le behavior bjang le ti tlhokomeleng ne sharp guys.
Okay, I think let's call it a day. Ladies and gentlemen, please subscribe to our channel and please don't forget to also go to TikTok, search TCs there, and then you're gonna find us there. And also please like and
Like, subscribe
follow.
and share with everyone.
Thanks, guys. Cheers. We're out of here.